Indie Shooter, brought to you by Akidio, Band Pro Film and Digital, Black Magic Design, and Carl Zeiss.
Hi, Clint with Indie Shooter, continuing on our coverage of the Band Pro One World Open House. I'm here with Jeff of 16x9 and Orca Bags. Jeff, you guys announced recently some brand new products. Talk a little bit about what we're going to see right now.
We just released a few new audio bags. The 270, the OR 270 is a small bag. It's specifically designed for the Mix Pre 3 and the Mix Pre 6. We have the OR 280, a little bit larger bag. It'll be for the Mix Pre 6 and the Mix Pre 10. You can put the battery on. It's a little bit taller, so there's more depth to it. Like all of our other Orca bags, they incorporate aluminum framing along with the textiles and accessibility from all 6 sides.
So I think Oprah's going to, which bag should we, let's talk about the first one.
The 270. The 270 first, yes. So this is the OR 270 for the Mix Pre 3 or the Mix Pre 6. It has accessibility from all 6 sides as well as deep pockets. It has the aluminum framing, so it's
solid,
very solid, very safe and secure for your mixer.
I like the little things on the sides. The frame kind of sticks out there. Why does it do that?
You mean here?
Yeah.
So you can have it on a harness, or you could have it on a little shoulder strap.
Oh, I see.
Have it right in front of you if you need to be mobile.
And what's the next bag we have?
The OR 280 is going to be for your Mix Pre 6 or your Mix Pre 10 if you want to put the batteries on the bottom of it. Lifts it up a little bit, so it's a deeper bag. Again, aluminum frame, so it's really strong and durable and accessible from all 6 sides.
Are they shipping now, or are they available?
They are available as of next week.
Next week?
Yes. We have 2 more new ones. One is the 436. It's our extra long boom pole protector. It's a hard shell case. Inside you can, I believe the length is 50.1 inches, so it'll take usually most of the long boom poles broken down with Velcro straps or an elastic strap. It's padded for more protection.
And it's a hard shell, right? That's
yes.
On the outside.
Yes. Along with the hard shell casing. And then another hard shell case that we came out with is this 655. It's a hard shell case. It's for dual transmitters and a receiver. It's also got internal pockets if you want to put some media, some cables, and connectors in there.
And that one's also available next week,
yes,
you say?
Everything here should be available as of next week shipping. And the last new item is the 112 umbrella. Not only good for rain, but it has a UV protectant, so it's good for just shade if you need it in the sunlight.
Oh, I needed that earlier.
Yeah, today would have been a good day for this, yes. It's got an aluminum handle and it's fiberglass ribs.
Oh, nice, so it doesn't bend.
They're nice and flexible without breaking.
Breaking, nice. It doesn't bow in on itself.
Right.
And that sits right onto the bag, right?
Yeah, it has a thread on the inside of the handle, 3/8 of a thread, 3/8 inch thread, so it'll pretty much use any adapter. So we've got it on a Noga clamp, and it'll just fit right on pretty much anywhere.
Excellent. And so again, these will be shipping next week, and if people want to find out more, is there a website they should go to?
16x9 Inc. So 16x9inc.com or orcabags.com.
Orcabags.com.
And that has its own find a bag, so no matter what size camera or light or mixer you have, you can put that in. It'll tell you what kind of bags you're going to want.
Oh, so you just list the product and it'll like tell you what you should get. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, wow. Excellent. So again, it's tell us the website.
The U.S. distributor is 16x9, so it's 16x9inc.com or orcabags.com.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Jeff.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
All right.
Indie Shooter, brought to you by Akidio, Band Pro Film and Digital, Black Magic Design, and Carl Zeiss.